we are today attempting a soundproof project. We've decided to use a resilient sound isolation clip with channel that will sit together inside of a track like this. So we have resilient channel and a sound clip that will be fastened to the bottom of this strapping. Now, we could go directly to the joist if we'd like to, the bottom of the floor joist, but we've decided that a little bit more spacing for other reasons would be okay. So what we did is we went on and just put our regular strapping up to the bottom of the joist where it normally would have been if we were to apply our sheetrock or blue board directly to the bottom of the ceiling and the bottom of the joist.